year is 2023. We live in a digital world. Everything we could ever want is instant. Everything is designed to make our lives easier, to keep us more connected. As a creative, a photographer, a videographer, it has never been easier to pick up a camera, go and make something, and to share it with the world. Technology has improved rapidly. The internet has changed the way we live. So much so that now with just a phone, you can make videos, share them with the world on YouTube, and run an entire business. 20 years ago, that wasn't possible. Neither YouTube or the iPhone even existed. The world has changed so quickly in such a short space of time. Photography and videography or filmmaking are so much more accessible to everyone now, and that is amazing. It has changed my life because I found my passion for it through the likes of YouTube, and I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now without it. But the fact that it is so easy to create now should make creating easy. But does it? Arguably no. Social media is changing the way we view everything. On one hand, it can be super inspiring and helpful, allowing you to think up creative ideas of your own that you want to go out and shoot. On the other hand, we're trapped into an endless scrollable feed of pointlessness that means absolutely nothing to us. When it comes to making our own things, we're forced to fuel that fire because that is what performs well. We're all making the same things. Short form portrait videos with trends, new gear reviews, and having to upload new content constantly to feed the algorithms and be successful. Whatever that means. This is the problem with social media. It's like we're being forced to make the same thing over and over. We've lost our identity and our authenticity in the things that we make, instead of sticking to the things that we want to make, being true to it, and enjoying the process of making. That's what creativity is all about. It's not about making things that you don't enjoy making and getting a dopamine rush from chasing more views and likes. So in that sense, creating is more difficult than it ever has been before. It's harder to make things stand out and make things that are original. However, at the same time, it's easier to turn that into excuses and become disheartened by it. I'm terrible for it. We need to remember though that there is still room for not following the trends and jumping on the bandwagon in the hope that you might have a viral video. It's not all about pumping out videos for the sake of pumping out videos. That achieves nothing. Keep learning new skills, keep making better videos, and keep taking better photos. Stay true to yourself and what you believe in, and good things will start to happen. No one sees the world the way that you see it, so get out there and take those photos and make those videos. Don't let the current trends in social media sway you or put you off in any way, because who's to say what social media will look like in a few more years' time? So keep making what is meaningful to you. The good thing about there being so much crap out there is that when people see something that is different and it adds value to them, it hits even more and it resonates with them even more. So keep doing you. We can't lose sight of everything we have right in front of us and how amazing it is that we can now make whatever we want whenever we want. So yes, in a way, it is harder than ever to create things, but it is also easier than ever. The most important thing is that you continue to make what is true to you. A story can be told in thousands of different ways, so go and tell your story.